Plate ka na.
Daldal nyo kasi 1 hour na daw yung material. Sorry. Woke up the pacing into gaps, ha? Igagap ko to. Ate Darla.
Nakatayin, ganda.
Bulis. Sarap.
Ang naganda ko ito makisama.
Pwede na po.
Ay, ganda na lalo yung stone. Ano? Ay, ganda na lalo yung stone. Ano? Ay, ganda na lalo yung stone.
Ano na doon?
Sabi ko po yan.
No, mali.
Lalo daw yung stone.
Yung stone.
Check siya na. October, di ba? Alam naman niya. Ang ganda niya dyan. Smile.
Sabi ko din na dyan.
Ito ba yung...
What? Or you want?
Bilisan natin.
Pag karne, di ba? Chef Dino, kailangan pakuluan para lumambot. Pero pag maganda yung quality ng beef mo, babad lang, cook na. Hindi ko alam, ano ba itong beef na ginamit
what we
natin?
have here-
Tenderloin ba to?
No, it's like the bottom part of the beef. It's a chopped eye roll, but it's sliced really thin.
Then,
So it's
but did you make,
Pound.
na yung
Pinapang.
meat, gano'n.
Yung pinukpok-pok mo.
Oh, at least nagkaintindihan tayo doon. Yung parang metal,
Yeah,
mallet.
mallet.
Got it. Mallet. Oh,
No, I didn't do that.
Okay, sige.
Ano confidential sa beef niya?
Oh, ikaw chef ang babad, show us.
Which wait. So we're gonna do the onions first before we marinate the
Dina.
beef.
Okay.
Okay, so game. Madami content. Okay na yan.
Medyo damihan mo ng slide because absorb siya ng onion. Sorry, chef, nakialam.
Lahat na lang.
Yes, na-imagine kita nagluluto na kay Hills.
Oo, sa totoo lang. Pero ako naman, oo. Lahat?
Yeah,
Ay,
you can
fashionable ng food ngayon. Ay, you know why? Kasi there was water in the onion. Dapat dinry mo muna. Diniretso mo na.
Ikaw talaga, chef. Ba't di mo sinabi sa akin yan?
May tubig-tubig.
You wanna
May
put a little bit of
tilamsik.
Oo nga. Pero okay lang kasi, di ba part yan ng cooking?
Yeah, and then we're gonna caramelize that anyway. So that's
So what
Yes.
do I do now?
so a little
Hintayin
bit of
muna.
pinch lang.
You want to caramelize the onion, right?
Okay.
But you're gonna put salt in the onion?
A little bit, yeah. So to
Chris,
enhance
ano
the
po
flavor.
bang...
No, but kasi it's important to caramelize it talaga, right, Chef?
Yeah, to take out the sweetness of the onion.
Opo, pero
Dalawa
you
po
can put
kasi ang
salt.
chef.
Oo, may pakailamera lang dito. You put the daw the
So
salt.
just a pinch lang.
Pinch lang daw. Okay.
Pag sinabing caramelize, Chris, it means pinapatamis
Para maging
mo.
translucent, di ba?
Yeah.
And then parang the sweetness of the onion will come out because
Sugar of the onion comes
ang
out.
onion matagal mo niluluto, tumatamis. Ang garlic, pag nasobrahan ng luto,
Mapait.
pumapait.
Yes.
Parang pag-ibig lang.
Very
Garlic. Kaya di ba yung tamang ano. Kaya ayaw ko na
A little bit.
So gusto mo natin sa garlic o sa onion? Yun ang ano. Yun. Kung ano nga, that's up to you. Kung anong choice mo siya. Liz, sayang ang white dress mo kung natalabas ka.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Marami pa tayong white dresses.
Yeah.
Natagal daw sulit Liz, same design na ng mga dress ni Kate Middleton. Taray. Gusto ko lang i-share. No, the ano, diba? When we went to mass, you're also in white pants. Bakit into white ka ngayon? Because summer.
Yeah. Tapos black and white, diba yung uso? So,
Yes. Sige. Pagkasa na tayo.
So yeah, we'll cook it a little bit more.
More pa daw, sabi ni Chef Ino.
Kasi puso mo ng slide.
Okay.
Para na sa init. Mas gusto ko naluluto with flame. Apoy. True. Pero pag wala kang choice eh, may mga condo na bawal.
Yeah, actually it's nice also to cook with induction because it's cleaner. It's faster for you to clean.
Clean. For on the go. Pag
Yeah,
ano.
but yeah, cooking with flame is really more, it's easier in a way.
Tapos meron, tumingin-tingin kasi ako ng kusina. There's sobrang ganda. parang doon yung dinedescribe ko, parang bagang dinedescribe ko. Pero cooktop nito, I went to Semantic and I also went to Smeg. I went to, di ba the Semantic has Wolf, has Wolf and Sub-Zero, one whole ano yun. Tapos yung sa Smeg, tapos meron sila list na pang ganyan, pero yung isahan siya na pang walk. Pag pang walk pala, siya, totoo ba yun na sobrang lakas talaga, high heat? It was, ganda. Humingi ako ng quotation, sabi ko, wow, SUV binibili ko, bongga.
Pero favorite part na ng bahay mo is kitchen.
Super!
Ano daw ang puso ng bawat Kuya? Sa kusina.
One of the nicest kitchens I've ever seen was your, was Tita Helen Gaboso, that's your Lola. What do you call her?
Dita.
Your Helen. Kasi in White Plains, sobra. Wow, ang ganda ng kusina niya.
Kahit yung tsokolate, siya talaga as in, chocolate niya yun.
The chocolate, but she served us when we visited her champorado, but her champorado used Cadbury chocolate. So, oo, taray saya. Alam mo, wait, ano na nangyari?
Yung
So, we put the-
Ilagay ko na yung beef.
Ha?
Ilagay ko na yung beef.
Beef.
Tapos sabi niya, ayan.
Nothing,
Huwag ko
you
daw
just put the
tigilan.
beef.
Yeah.
Uy, pero kayong taga-preview, hindi kayo kumakain
Uy, ako, ang lakas.
She
Baka
eats.
sila.
Diba,
Wow, she
yung mga
eats.
tao sa fashion
Oo.
world talagang
She eats when she works out.
din.
Oo.
Para sila gaya na. Ano to, chef?
Ito na, oh.
Just
Chef Dino, ano to muna? Toyo?
Yeah.
Toyo.
Ordinary toyo?
Yeah, ordinary.
Gano'ng kadami?
Just like half of that.
Half.
And then we'll put a little bit of
Half lang.
Half na lang. Hindi, ito ko.
Hindi, sabi nun.
Half nun or half?
Yeah,
Oo,
that's good.
babalik
We'll
ko.
put water naman to like.
Oh, sige, okay. Hindi, kasi parang
Gusto niya lang maalat. Hindi, kasi feeling ko, pag nilagyan ng tubig,
Okay, o sige, dagdagan mo na, go. Ano to?
ayan na, see,
Just
maraming
water.
water.
Just water.
Lahat siya.
That's good.
That's good na daw niya sabi
Ah, that's
niya.
good. Hindi, kasi naman na-distract ako.
Kasi,
No, joke lang.
that's cute si Chef.
Tama.
Oh, ay, gusto ko ng cute na teacher
Oo,
din.
diba? Pero for friends lang, kasi diba may partner na si Chef.
Ikaw ulit din.
At ako din.
Naunsel ka na. Oo.
Ano.
Guys, Lina said
Sabi ni
hi
Chef na
pa.
parang,
Oy, Direct Lino says hi daw.
Ba't sila na?
what's happening now?
Oh, what na daw?
Di ba dapat,
Hindi ba na rin yung usapan?
di ba dapat may Worcestershire sauce?
Yeah.
Oh, nasan yung Worcestershire?
Si Tia.
Yeah, I don't have it yet. So I'm putting a little bit of the
Ba naman sa
But you told me Worcestershire also.
So, what's it?
Kalamansi na daw.
Lahat? Everything?
No.
Just,
Pero sa calamansi, yung mga American chefs na
Love it!
and they love calamansi.
That's
Kasi
what
nakikilala
I'm
na ang calamansi na yun.
Pero nakakadagdag ng something. Ako when I
Ay,
made,
chef, parang-
what you like, what I made for you, I put the Maggi chili. The Maggi sabor na may chili ang ginawa ko for you when you liked it. Kasi may added konting anghang. And I did put a little Worcestershire sauce. And I used light soy sauce to mix.
wow, that's really good.
pero ang sarap talaga nun. Sobra. Tsaka tumasik na siya sa white rice.
Okay, I'll
Hindi ako makatiis, pasensya na.
Wait, chef. Okay.
Tsaka we need rice kasi ito may ulam, may
O yan, dinamihan ko na.
Chef, wala
There you
kang
go.
sinasabi dyan.
One more.
Try natin to sa pagbabalik ng crispy.
Parang kulang sa ating agaw. Parang kulang sa 5 tao.
put rice na. I'll put it here na lang the
Okay, busy?
I'll put the rice.
Ano daw? Ha? Ano daw? Oo.
Sayang.
Sabi ko nga, sa bagal yung